Welcome to exercise 6.3, a walkthrough of adding an image file to a report. In this brief exercise, we'll open our existing report, exercise 6.1, which you should have completed previously, and save it as 6.3 Insert Pictures. We'll enlarge the header section, eliminate the print date field, add an image using the Insert Picture button, and save and export the report. In this lecture, we'll walk through adding image files to a report. As with many of the assignments this term, this assignment requires that you have previously completed exercise 6.1. Let's begin by opening 6.1. And let's move to the design view. Let's eliminate the print date. And let's change the size of the page header. We've left the field headers floating, so let's grab all of those and bring those down to the baseline. And if we don't need the guides, we can eliminate those. And let's find the Insert Image control. Insert Picture. And let's navigate to our source files for this term. And let's grab the image, image6.jpg. And let's place that in the page header. Next, let's resize it. When we have it placed and sized the way we'd like it, we can preview the design. And if we're satisfied, remember to save the report. And finally, export the finished assignment for submission to Canvas. Exporting as PDF, all pages, and we can use that same default name, E61 moving fields. We need to change that. Let's change this to E63, and this is going to be Insert Pictures. And let's remember to save this as well. As a report format. And that's it for this lecture. This concludes the lesson.